$60,000 in home upgrades and lower insurance? Yes, 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 it's real. Here's how to combine home hardening programs with insurance discounts. Stick around to the end. I'll show you how to avoid the number one mistake that kills your insurance savings. Free or forgivable home upgrades. Lower yearly insurance premiums. Boost your property value. Step number 1, document your starting point. Get current insurance declarations. Schedule the wind mitigation inspection. Take before videos and photos and keep your receipts. Photos and inspection reports equal discounts later. Step number 2, choose overlapping upgrades. Ask your contractor, will this qualify for insurance discounts? Step number 3, apply, upgrade, notify. Step number 4, maintain and re-certify. Keep receipts and photos for future renewals. Why this is smart. $60,000 in upgrades and annual savings equal equity that pays for itself. Download the free home hardening checklist in the link below. Comment your city and I'll connect you with trusted contractors. Protect your home, lower your insurance, build your equity. Next week, we're going to talk about secret insurance credits realtors use when pricing your home. If this information was helpful, I hope you will like and subscribe. Until then, see you on the next one.